Welcome to Mark TV, a home where true love rests. Today, we are looking at those things that your ex is regretting and unhappy about whenever he or she sees you with your new sweat-kind romantic partner who understands, values, and bears with you during those cool, soft, and hard times. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also hit that bell icon, such that you can learn and enjoy more of my weekly videos. Thank you. These are the things that your ex wouldn't love to see you go through in your new relationship. And if you've not tried any of them, you should put them in practice as soon as you can, in order to make him or her regret that foolish decision. Number 1. Hanging out with your new partner. Whenever you expose your relationship to the public, your ex will feel like dying. He or she will wish to hang herself, regretting why she left you, and wishing to get you back, but when it's too late. Number 2. Putting a ring on your partner's hand. A ring is something that every person yearns for. It's a dream come true for everyone in a relationship. When you put that ring on that person who values your feelings and understands you, you'll have given a big blow to your ex. She'll shed tears. "How I wish I had waited," she will say. But then all that will be a waste of time, because your heart is only willing to accept one person, and that's the one you have chosen for life. Number 3. Taking good care of your partner. Care is what we all look for in a relationship. When your ex sees you and your new partner taking good care of each other, she will develop an apple in the throat. She will cry like a lonely baby. She will candle on her pillow, having flashbacks of how good you were in her life. Her tears will instead inflict more pain on her heart, as you smile with that very beautiful rose of yours, the one who accepted to love you the way you're. Number 4. Accepting to become father and mother to your own new created generation. This is something that most couples fear to take. Some think that one of the parties will run away from the parenthood responsibility. Gaining the confidence to ask your partner to render you chance to become father or mother to his or her future kids is a golden opportunity. It's a big blessing. And your partner getting to know that his or her ex is soon expecting a baby boils your ex's mind, turns her mad, and it's the greatest regret that you ex can ever have in life. Thanks for loving him or her, and have it in mind that your good romantic actions are killing your ex. Thanks for watching, and watch out for the next upcoming video.